We're going to look at body cavities and have a quick overview. The human body is divided into several body cavities. These are spaces that contain and protect the internal organs. Understanding these cavities is important in healthcare as it helps with identifying the location of organs, diagnosing issues, and carrying out medical procedures. The body's cavities are broadly classified into dorsal and ventral cavities, which are further subdivided into more specific sections. So we're going to look at the dorsal cavity, which is located along the back, so the posterior part of the body, and it's split into two sections. The cranial cavity. So this contains the brain encased by the skull. It provides protection for the brain against physical impacts and injuries. Then we have the spinal cavity. This cavity houses the spinal cord, extending from the brain through the spinal column. The vertebrae protect the spinal cord, which is crucial for transmitting nerve signals between the body and the brain. So the ventral cavity is found in the front, so the anterior part of the body, and is larger than the dorsal cavity. It's subdivided into two sections. The thoracic cavity. This is the upper portion of the ventral cavity separated from the abdominal cavity by the diaphragm. It contains the heart, the lungs, and major blood vessels like the aorta. Now, then we have the thoracic cavity that protects vital organs involved in breathing and circulation, providing a secure area for those essential functions. Then we have the abdominal pelvic cavity. So this is the lower portion of the ventral cavity, and it's further divided into the abdominal cavity, which contains the stomach, liver, intestines, spleen, kidney, and other digestive organs. It supports digestion, nutrition absorption, and detoxification. Then we have the pelvic cavity, which is located below the abdominal cavity. It contains the bladder and reproductive organs, and the last part of the digestive tract. It is crucial for reproductive health and excretory processes. Why is it important to know about body cavities? It has the protection of organs, so body cavities provide physical protection for the organs they contain, helping shield them from mechanical injury. The rib cage around the thoracic cavity, for example, protects the lungs and the heart. Organ organization, so understanding the location of organs with these cavities helps healthcare professionals determine the location of pain, injury, or disease. This is essential for diagnostic aspects and treatment. Medical procedures, so body cavities are important landmarks for medical procedures such as surgery and imaging. For instance, knowing which organs are in the abdominal cavity is crucial for planning an operation or interpreting MRIs or CT scans. Understanding function. So body cavities can also help understand the relationship between organs and how they interact with their enclosed spaces. For example, the diaphragm separating the thoracic and abdominal cavities is a key muscle in breathing.